Good morning, traders, and this is your Wall Street Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So starting off from the daily, we are still in this range on the Dow Jones, really lagging behind the S&P and the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq at the moment. So this is still something that I want to stay away from. Not really interested in trading a range, and you can see there on the 3-hour that range is pretty well defined. That is it there, and until we break through that, I'm pretty much sitting with my hands in my pockets on this one. You can see there's nothing really transpiring. You can see again here, pullback during late in the session. Yeah, that was pretty late in the session where we pulled back onto the bottom of the range, and then buyers stepped in and moved off. So we are kind of hovering below the moving average as well. Moving average is not really going anywhere. In other words, it's not pointing up like this or pointing down at a steep angle. It's fairly flat. So this is a range. I don't trade ranges. This is nothing that I want to basically trade at the moment. If you are really wanting to trade this, obviously you trade it according to the range, buy off the bottom and sell off the top. Now there are two tops here, so that is a level. Okay, so 28095 is a level, and the range itself is 28011. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing more I can actually add to this one. It's really, there are better opportunities out there. There's better opportunities on forex pairs, and there's better opportunities on the S&P or the Nasdaq. For some reason, Wall Street is lagging behind, but don't expect it to lag behind all the time. Some sort of catalyst will hit us shortly, which will propel this thing, and I suspect it's going to be propelled up to catch up with what's happening with his brothers. Okay, we do have a gap up here. We've got quite a few levels and an all-time high. S&P 500 is tagged an all-time high at the moment. So that is a flag, and you can see on the 8-hour, strong move up, strong consolidation, and the most logical thing at the moment is that from there to there, we are 16 bars into this consolidation, so it is still a higher probability of a break up to the upside. Okay. The thing about this potential break, which is why you need to be watching it, is that its measured move is fairly strong. So a measured move for this is somewhere in the region of 29757, which is well above the all-time high. So it's quite a bit above the all-time high. So I would actually just fine-tune that and say, well, actually I'd do it that way. I'd look for these fractals here. So that would be 29379. Okay, so short and sweet, I'm afraid, guys. There's nothing really else that's going to really interest me, not on any time frame. Look at the 15, it's up and below the moving average, no real direction. I suspect we're going to be moving up, so I'd only be looking for longs. I'm not looking for shorts on this. But I think the longs are going to be either from where we are now or another test to the downside and then a move to the upside. But until we get some really good structure and the moving average starts pointing up, that's I will sit on the sidelines here. I think S&P 500 has some better opportunities for me right now. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.